Hello, dear students of my Netaji Public School, Hassan, who are studying in 8th standard. In this ICT video, we will further discuss about the chart elements. In previous videos, you have studied what is chart and what are all the different types of charts and components of a chart and a 3D state column chart and what is it. So we already started the how to create a chart, and in this video we will learn more about it. So our chapter is creating charts in a Excel 2030. So in that, another major chart element is so what is this axis type and what is this primary and horizontal and primary vertical axis lines? We will study about those. Axis title. Axis title you to add titles along the x-axis and the y-axis. So I hope you have understood what is horizontal, that is x-axis. Yes, where we can see this line or this axis is called a horizontal axis, and this we call it as a vertical axis in a chart. To add an x-axis title, click axis title and select primary horizontal like we have seen here. It shows two options, that is primary horizontal and primary vertical. To take an horizontal axis, we will select primary horizontal in that option, and the x-axis title text box will appear. Double click it and change the title to a name of a salesperson. Means you can see the name of the salesperson, that is our x-axis. We call it as a horizontal axis in the Excel charts, and this is the vertical axis. What we have named for that, that is sales. So to insert an vertical axis, or what we have to do, to we just take a primary vertical or primary vertical option in an axis bar. Next comes legend. So what is this legend? Legend displays a drop down list with many options. That means you can hide the legend by clicking legend none. Click legend left. The legend will be placed to the left of the chart. See, here we can find this legend options, and we should click this left chart with the legend on the left. So it is this we call it as a legend thing. So it will be in our left hand side. So we can select where it should be placed by the legend options. This is about legend, and if we don't want this, we can remove it also. And next important option we can see in this chart comp elements, that is add chart elements, is data labels. You can display the value of each column on the chart. Click data labels and choose the label location. The chart will look as shown in figure. In this figure we selected a data label and the outside end. So here you can see the values. These are the column values. This is a column value. See, this is our vertical line or vertical axis we can see, and this is the column part. And here you can see the value 4300, which is between the 4500. These values can be given or inserted by using this data label option. Next comes data tables, that is data labels, and this is the data table. The data table option adds a table to a chart containing relevant data. Means that relevant data it should be contained. Click the data table with legend keys. The chart will look as shown in figure 3.27. That is like this. See this, you can see this called as a data table. There is a table, isn't it? If you want this table, we select data table options with legends. See, legends also inserted in this data table. This is the same thing you can see in this table also. This is about data table. This is our column and we gave values here, and what we call that, students, that is data label. And this table, if we insert in an Excel chart, that is called as a data table. Next comes grid lines. What is this grid line? Let's see. Grid lines in the axis group allows you to specify how grid lines should be displayed on the chart. That is, and major grid lines are grid lines at the larger intervals, and minor grid lines are arranged at a smaller intervals. For both the horizontal and vertical grid lines, the options available are primary major horizontal, primary major vertical, primary minor horizontal, and primary minor vertical. So here horizontal and vertical, there are only two options. In that we are changing this major and minor things. Let's see how this grid lines look. This is an column chart with a minor horizontal and vertical line. See, we selected grid lines here, then it shows the four options, that is major horizontal, major vertical, minor horizontal, and minor vertical. And if we select that, it shows us like a this. You can observe the lines here behind that column, that is called a grid line. And next thing is chart layout. If you want to quickly add chart elements, click the quick layout button in the chart layout groups. That means if you want to quickly add the chart element, you can see that in the top bar, and we can select the chart layout. Layout means how it should be looked, and click say layout 9. This layout adds the title to the top center of the chart axis title and moves the legend to the right or center. Let's understand this by a given picture. See, you can see the quick layout option, that is a chart layout, and you can view so many types of the chart, but the data is same. How it should be looked, we can select by this quick layout option. You can observe the differences between these graphs and charts. So this much in this video. In our next video, we will learn more about this chart elements, that is chart styles, and how to change the chart type. Everything we will discuss in our next video. Till then, recall and work on this Excel. Bye. And thank you for watching my video.